Hello, my name is Bob Swain. I'm from Salt Lake City, Utah. I heard of LeafFilter by word of mouth, which is probably the best advertisement. I would have done this 20 years ago if I'd had the chance. The salesman was very knowledgeable. He came out, met with me, gave me all the options, gave me some very good suggestions, what I should do, even what I shouldn't do to save me extra money. They came out, installed the system very quick, and they cleaned up excellent. I didn't even know they were here. I was inside where it was nice and warm watching them. One problem, we had a little teeny leak. I called them, get this, on a Saturday. They were out Monday morning, fixed the leak. And so I'm waiting for the next storm to see what happens, and I'm sure it'll be just fine. And I greatly appreciate the kind service, the prompt service, and the courage.